What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny, Birdy, Gator. It has been forever since I've taken you guys into TJ Maxx and Home Goods, and I have a few things that I'm looking for today. So I just wanted to take you guys in, see what the clearance looks like, maybe some handbags, maybe some shoes, some summer stuff. We're just gonna head in. I have an appointment coming up just across the street, so I had a little time to film and I wanted to bring you guys in, so let's go ahead and head in. Does your TJ Maxx and Home Goods look like this too, you guys? Is there like, you know, other shops and stuff? We have these items out here for the garden. Let's head in. Seeing some new handbags already. I think I want to look at the bags. Steve Madden for $34.99. Feels really nice. We also have this one. And we have white. Over here we have some Michael Kors. $149.99 for this one, and this one is also $149.99. We have the Michael Kors backpack. That's $129.99. Another one that's pink and white for $129.99. Ooh, I love the pearls. So pretty. This brand is called Alyssa. And this bag is $19.99. I just love the pearls. This is how much? $29.99. It looks like it's a two-piece set. I'm not sure what the brand is though. We have another Michael Kors behind it for $129.99. Even more. Calvin Klein, $69.99. This is like a little cork bag for $24.99. Alessia is the brand. It feels like a cork. What sort of bag are you guys wearing lately? We have this little bag. A brand sent me a bag like this one time, $22.99. I always like to smell it. This is the size I think I have at home, maybe a little bit bigger. This one is also $22.99. I love looking at bags in here, and I love the smell of all of the bags in here. We also have a whole wall of backpacks. Cynthia Rowley, $24.99. The quilted. We also have it in blue. This one's by Steve Madden. This one is $39.99. We also have it in navy. We have it in black. This one's $49.99. It's a little more structured. Maybe you're going on a trip this summer. And if you are, they have a luggage here as well. Rolling luggage. So far I'm seeing price tags like $89, $99, $119, $69. This one's $69. The brand is Tusi Disegno. Designed in Italy. Cute. I like that. It looks very like designer inspired. with the little stars. Also has the little combo on the top. This one is $89.99. You would definitely see your bag coming when you go to pick it up. You'd be like, that's my bag. That is my bag, yes. Ooh, and then we have lots of pretty accessories over here. Giftable sort of boxes. Like we have some Guess wallets with the card holder. Looks like someone took the other piece out of that one though. This is the 2-piece wallet and card holder. We have, this is just $24.99, not bad at all. We also have the Juicy Couture slipper and coin purse set for $14.99. Even more varieties. Genuine leather, the brand is Lotus. Ooh, a card holder and a little coin purse for $19.99. This set is $29.99, giving me vintage vibes. This is Patricia Nash, $16.99. These sets are really nice over here, like super nice. Even more, but a lot of these 2-piece sets are missing a piece. More from Lotus. Fits an iPad mini from Patricia Nash. Juicy Couture, a little tiny crossbody for $16.99. We have Anne Klein. We have Ray Dunn, Love, Spend, and Tech. This is how much? MSRP $48, but how much does it cost here? $16 on clearance from Ray Dunn. We also have Blessed, Spend, and Tech. Also $16. We have Mark Tetro. Let's see if I can find a price for you. I love how this feels. I love the material. That's $19.99, also by Mark Tetro. So I'm guessing these are $19.99. Oh my gosh, if you love dogs, come see the collection that they have here. We have this little one, $12.99 for this. We have the bigger sets, $24.99. Little crossbody. Aw, Tux. Reminds me of my Tux. The little Tux wallet. I'm just not seeing prices on all of these. The pink is so cute. Let's see if we can find a tag. $34.99 for this big set. More from Lotus for $24.99. $19.99. There's just so many options. Look at this schnauzer over here. I love the blue. $19.99. Yep, $19.99 for that one. We have even more. Oh my gosh, the yellow is so cute. This is $34.99. $24.99. So many options, so many different varieties. This one is with the little schnauzer. I love the blue and the look on his face. He's like so serious. I'm not seeing a price. I can tell you guys though, the quality is super nice on these. I am not seeing a price. Maybe it's here. Nope. Again, no price on this one. Wow. That's a cute little brand. We have bags up here. This is $79.99, feels like leather. More Steve Madden bags. There's just so many options in here, you guys. MW. This reminds me of one of those bags that like glows in the nighttime. $24.99. We had yellow purses. More Michael Kors. Green Steve Madden. These are $24.99. I like the little chain part right here. Yeah, there's just so many options. We even have orange, we have white. Wow, you guys, I could look at these bags and these wallets and these card holders and things all day. There's just so many. When's the last time you guys have been into TJ Maxx? You may forget about it. It might be out of the way compared to some of your other stores, but definitely take a minute and come into TJ Maxx. I'm really glad I did. This one is Radley London. The price tag is $208, the MSRP, but it is $79.99 here. That is a really cute bag. It's definitely giving me Chanel vibes. Oh, look at this tiny little Madden girl. I don't know what you would put in it, but it's kind of cute. Anyways, you guys, I had so much fun sharing the handbags with you guys. I could just walk the aisles, touching and smelling bags. I could do that for hours, seriously. It's always so much fun to come in here because there's such a nice variety. But all right, you guys, I might film one more video in here for you guys. I might have time for one more before my appointment, so I might go ahead and just film one more video. So if I do, definitely come back and see what else I have to share because they just have so many pretty things in here. But all right, you guys, I love you all so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.